We have our new firmware in the gateway, and here is some overview about the device. So you can find the IP address of this device on the OLED screen, and in my case the IP address is this. Once you go to this address, this UI will pop up. Here are two things. You can set the root password, clear, reset network parameters, and OLED and all that. Device information. This device also publishes is device ID as NCD Gateway E960, and the default password for it NCD Gateway. It's a soft AP end of the day, and the IP address is 192.168.3.1. The current firmware versions are these. You can go to network. In network right now the switching is manual, and you can set it to automatic. In that case it will check if one network is down, it will jump to the next one. The endpoint, this is what we'll do, will ping google.com after every few seconds, and if it finds the network is connected right now is not up, it will go and jump to the next one. Then right now we have Ethernet, so this is our Ethernet settings. If we had Wi-Fi up, it will also show all the Wi-Fi settings here and all that. The modem tab is for checking out the LTE settings. And before you can go to the modem tab, make sure you have either Ethernet up or LTE up or one of these selected. If you have this one enabled, you will not be able to access the modem tab, because the modem either can talk to the network or you can talk to the modem. It's only one way or one connection at a time. Over here, a little bit overview about LTE network. You can change your APN name over here, and there are some few options by default. If you are using a different SIM card than what we have tried, you will need to modify the APN, or we can say the chat script, which you could connect to the here. And if you do ls, you go to cd config ls cd chat script, and all the profiles are here. If you want to build a new one, the easiest way is just copy one of these profiles and then change the APN name or any other settings. For example, the Twilio is the new one, so I'll go ahead and open the Twilio one. You can see the main setting which you will need to make sure this value is correct. This can go from 0 to 4, and you will need to check your SIM card provider what is the best for your network. And then the APN name for Twilio, the name is super, so that's what we used. Once you have it, you can go to this setting and you can download it. Let's go to the modem. Right now I don't have any SIM card, so my modem setting, the only one which will not be able to read is the signal strength. Everything else you can read. If you go to this tab and nothing showed up, it means you have a modem selected as your network, and which is not good. Then next is the Node-RED. Node-RED is like UI based, as you all know. During the first boot, Node-RED could take some time to boot, so just give it a few minutes, and once it's up and running, it will always be there. If you get this error, it means either your port is not selected properly or you don't have a wireless module. In my case, I don't have a module. And then the third one is terminal. The default root and password is ncdio, and over here you can change all the settings and all. If you don't want to go through the serial terminal like I was doing. That's all about the basic configurations. We can go in details in the product manual and on the other literature available on NCD website.